Hey, this is Samantha here from recipethis.com and the voice behind the popular kitchen gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to talk to you about a delicious chicken meal for one that I've made. And even better, I'm avoiding the washing up in this recipe because I've been asked quite a lot for some recipes for one rather than family recipes. And during the making of our second cookbook, Air Fryer Easy Every Day, I did quite a few meals for one in there to help people out that are cooking for smaller portions. And then one of the discoveries that we had during it was these. We became obsessed with these. The 7-inch square, and they're perfect. I would call them foil trays, but in the US they call them foil pans. And it was a lovely lady, one of our subscribers, Pat, that introduced us to them, so we now call them Pat's pans, and I think that's really catchy as well. So Pat's pans are brilliant for just throwing everything in them, placing them in the air fryer, letting the air fryer do the work, and then they're ready for serving. They're just perfect. And of course, if you're just feeding one person, you want something that's really simple and easy to do. So that's what we've gone for in this recipe. So the ingredients, 5-ingredient recipe. So we have a single chicken breast. We've got some cubed butternut squash, some trimmed green beans, and that's your 3 main food ingredients. And then you've got your mixed herbs and your olive oil. And then of course, 5-ingredient recipes kind of feel like the cheating because it always excludes salt and pepper. So of course you can use some salt and pepper, but away from the salt and pepper, just look at how simple that is. You've got your chicken, you've got your butternut squash, you've got your green beans. Those 3 things will fill you up. It's all coming together in one tray with some mixed herbs and some olive oil. I mean, how simple is that? So let's get started, shall we? So first of all, like I mentioned, we're doing it all in the pan. So I only need one, so I'm putting the rest of them to one side for now. And of course the green beans don't take us long to cook, so we're not going to be adding the green beans at this point. So instead, chicken breast into your tray, putting the green beans to one side for now, adding in the butternut squash. Oh, I mean, how simple is that? And I'm just going to wipe my hands because I've got raw chicken. And then what we're going to do now, salt, pepper, and then of course olive oil, but we only need a tiny little bit. And then we're going to add the mixed herbs in as well. Sometimes it's easier just to use your lid and then just do a little sprinkling of it. And then all you do now is mix up the butternut squash so it's nicely coated. And then what you can do is then you can just rub the mixed herbs into your chicken breast, and then it's ready to go in the air fryer. A quick wipe of the hands, and then we can get it on, can't we? So, air fryer out, chicken and butternut squash in, and then we can get it on. So you're looking for 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then we're going to adjust the cooking time to 12 minutes and then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So let's check on it so far. And wow, look at that. The butternut squash is already looking nice. And I just love this for how the way everything happens in the tray. In our new cookbook, Air Fryer Easy Every Day, we've got an option doing it just like this, but using fish instead. And that was a request by one of our readers, Sue. So there we go, adding in the green beans. seasoning, the green beans, salt, pepper, a little bit more of the herbs that you've already used on the chicken. And then after this, we're going to add in a little bit more of the olive oil. And then what we recommend, the fork's the best option for this, is to just mix the green beans about a bit, just so that they're getting the oil on them and the seasoning. And wow, I love the look of that. I think it looks fantastic. You know, green beans, some chicken and some butternut squash. A lovely healthy lunch. And then back on, we're looking for now 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 8 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So, shall we check and see how the green beans are getting on with the chicken? And wow, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? I mean, I love just how amazing it is for doing the chicken, the veg and the green beans together in the air fryer. Like I said, I've done it all in this. So it's a fantastic way to save on your washing up as well. And then let me give you a closer look. I mean, oh wow, doesn't that look amazing? And then these are very, very easy to grab like this in the air fryer. You've now got a clean air fryer for next time. And look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? I'm just so impressed. And yes, I've done an internal temperature. The chicken is fully cooked as well. You know, you've got the green beans, you've got the veg, or if you'd rather, you could add in an extra ingredient and add in a little bit of butter on the green beans if you wanted to. But it's totally personal choice. And look at that, for a really easy tray bake that you can use, that you can do in your air fryer. I mean, I'm so impressed with this. Doesn't it look fantastic? And I'm just getting more and more into these pans. So I'm sure you'll see more of our videos using these in the air fryer because they're just so useful and easy to do. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.